For about 8 years now, those passionate about all things military have been talking about something called the Precision Strike Missiles, or PrSM. Described as the U.S. Army's next-generation long-range precision strike missile, the weapon was just cleared for production in quantities that'll have people questioning the future of peace on our planet. The PrSM is made by Lockheed Martin, which back in 2020 managed to beat competitors Boeing and Raytheon in the race to produce it. It is meant as a replacement for the MGM-140AT ACMS, and it has been out testing in the field for about 5 years now. The last time we heard anything about the missile was in December 2024, when an all-U.S. Army soldiers crew fired it for the first time using a HIMARS system on the premises of the White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico. Now, the weapon is back in the news as Lockheed Martin announced it has received an indefinite delivery indefinite quantity contract from the U.S. Army to make the PrSM. Because it's indefinite quantity we're talking about, we don't know exactly how many of these things will be produced, but this contract alone is worth $4.94 billion, and that probably means we're talking about a lot of them. As said, the PrSM was designed as a replacement for the MGM-140AT ACMS, meaning it's quite a capable beast. Powered by a rocket engine that burns solid propellant, the thing can strike targets located at distances of between 37 and 310 miles. The 13-foot-long missile launches from the surface, and it is compatible with the existing HIMARS and multiple launch rocket system platforms. Up to 2 of them can depart at the same time, each carrying, for instance, preformed tungsten fragmentation warheads weighing up to 200 pounds. Perhaps the most important thing about the PrSM is the fact that it was built on an open systems architecture, meaning it can be adapted for various scenarios, and on top of that it can be upgraded as soon as new technologies become available. Neither the U.S. Army nor the weapons maker said anything about when it could enter active service, but it'll probably not be long now. Although intended primarily for the American military, the PrSM will probably be fielded by allied armies as well, as several other nations, including Australia and the UK, have already expressed interest in getting their hands on it.